Alright, this is awesome. My wife is always bitching about my snoring, and I just walked out right now because I was hearing a really weird like animal sound, and she is snoring like a banshee. So you might not be able to see her, but we're gonna go quietly over there in the dark to hear her. I think I have a pretty good audio, so I'm gonna clip it to my hat so I'm not walking around with a camera. And I'm gonna get as close as possible. Very quiet. Here we go. It's the dog. Teacher, come on. Stupid dog right inside. That dog is mental. The second I walk in her room, he chases me in. He shook his head and woke her up. Damn it, you stupid mutt. Come on, let's go outside.